The distributor cap plays a big role in starting the car and keeping the engine firing correctly. Changing the distributor cap of your car is a basic maintenance task that can help your engine run smoother. Here is a step-by-step explanation of how to change the distributor cap in simple and easy words. Before doing anything, make sure the engine is turned off and cool to touch. This keeps you safe from burns or electric shocks. Open your car's hood and look for the distributor cap. It is usually round and located near the engine. It has several wires connected to it. If you are not sure, you can check your car's manual to find its exact location. Before removing anything, use a marker or masking tape to label each wire and where it goes on the cap. This is very important so you don't mix them up later. You can write numbers or use color codes. If wires are mixed up, the engine won't start or may run badly. Carefully pull the spark plug wires from the distributor cap. Do not pull the wires by the cord, instead, grab the boot and pull it gently. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws or clips holding the distributor cap in place. Keep the screws safe, you may need them for the new cap. Lift the old cap off and check it for cracks, dirt, or burn marks. Place the new distributor cap in the same position as the old one. Make sure it sits properly and lines up with the notches or guides. Screw it in securely, but do not over-tighten. Now, reattach the wires to the same positions you marked earlier. Take your time to double-check each one. If you labeled them correctly, this part is easy. Before closing the hood, check that all wires are connected tightly. The new cap is screwed in properly. There are no loose parts or missing screws. Turn on your car to see if it starts smoothly. If it starts without trouble and runs well, you did it right. If it doesn't start or runs rough, turn off the car and recheck the wire positions. Wipe off any fingerprints or dirt you may have left near the engine. Close the hood properly. With a few tools and careful steps, you can do it at home in less than 30 minutes. It is a great skill to have and can save you money on mechanic costs.